During one of the webinar I was conducting for career in investment banking, there was a question, a comparison between NISM and CISI. I was just curious that are we supposed to compare both? Because NISM is a regulatory mandated certification for Indian market, and CISI is a globally accepted certification, regulatory recommended by almost 68 regulators and acceptance in 116 countries. Their curriculum is more relevant to the global banking, international standards, international markets, and different regulators. But at the same time, in NISM, the content is covered as per the Indian market. Both of the certification have their own relevance, but if we are trying to compare it, that would be the incorrect comparison. Professionals who are looking to work in the domestic market, who are looking to work with the broking firms, or retail banks, or asset management companies, for them it is mandatory to do NISM. But professionals who are looking to work with the global banks, companies like Morgan Stanley, JP Morgan, State Street, HSBC, Northern Trust, Barclays, Citibank, for them the recommended certificate is CISI. So I hope I have answered your question.